Yes, y'all see it. I bet y'all wondering, what is he getting ready to do with all those awesome ingredients? We got the salmon, we got the shrimp, the jumbo lump crab meat, we got some spinach dip, then we got some seasonings. So what we getting ready to do is make a seafood stuffed salmon. So if I was you guys, I would not go anywhere. Stick around.
Now we are always getting flavors every day of the week. Shout out to Chef Jaden, he done saved you a seat. Like, comment, and subscribe, and go and put on repeat. And now wait. Take out your seasoning and make it rain on that thing. This the type of cooking make him buy you a ring. Don't compare Chef Jay, cause he ain't the same. And that's for real though, you know the deal though. And I know you probably heard it through the grapevine, that everything that he makes, it is straight fire. Lobster macaroni to the crab cake and the ribeye. Super Bowl videos, go get ready for the fish fry. Or some natural hot chicken for some kickback, or some Henny hot wings just to get slapped, He moving up to greater things, ain't no get back, He the best of everything, Chef Gerard the Master King.
So I got this nice fillet of salmon. You could buy the whole salmon and fillet it yourself, or you could just go to your local grocery store and tell them how big you want the salmon. Most of the times they have it there anyway. So most people, when they stuff a salmon, they stuff it on this side, but I like it to sit up like this. So what I'm gonna do is just make a couple incisions in here. So what I'm gonna do is look at the fattest side of the salmon right here, let y'all see that, and I'm gonna go in kind of 3/4 of the way. Don't want to go all the way through because the stuff I stuff it with, I don't want it to seep out on the other side. So then I take it and I see, okay, that's exactly what I want. So boom, I'm gonna sit that right there. And then I'm gonna take the other salmon and do the same. Look for the fattest side to put in, take my knife and go 3/4 of the way in. And that's how we stuff the salmon. So what I'm gonna do next, y'all, take some olive oil and I'm gonna rub this salmon up real good. And this allows all the herbs and the seasonings to stick to it, right? So I'm gonna get that in there real good. And then, yeah, y'all see. Now just taking an oil bath, an olive oil bath. And then what I'm gonna do is start seasoning this thing. I'm gonna start letting it rain on that thing. So we're gonna take some fresh garlic, and I got garlic and onion in there together, right? Sprinkling that on there really well. I got some lemon pepper, same thing. Make sure we sprinkle all around and on the inside of the salmon, because we want every aspect of it to have flavor. Then we're gonna take some Old Bay, just a little bit. Then we're gonna take some paprika. Starting to look good already, right? Remember, we gotta get inside as well. Get inside as well. Well, wrong side. Get inside. And then we're gonna take some parsley. This just to give it some color, make it look fancy, you know? Put that parsley on there. And right now we have a very seasoned salmon. And I said Old Bay, but that ain't Old Bay, that's Cajun spice. My bad, y'all. Put that on there. Man, so I got that the way I want it, right? Now I'm gonna take some Old Bay for real and just hit our shrimp with that. Also a little lemon pepper so our shrimp can be seasoned. We're not gonna mess with the crab meat because it's good just like it is all by itself. Ain't nothing like some good old crab meat. So now I'm gonna take this salmon or salmon. Salmon or salmon? How you say it? Salmon or salmon? I don't know. I say salmon sometimes. Sometimes I say salmon. I don't know. But I'm gonna take it and open it up like that. And then I'm gonna take some crab meat, do-do-do-do, put it in the bottom just like that. Yeah, baby. And then I'm gonna take some spinach dip. Watch the last video. You'll see how to make spinach dip. If you don't know how to make it or don't want to make it, they sell it in the store, right? Take some spinach dip and just go in just like that. So I got the spinach dip in there just like I want it. Now, I'm gonna garnish this with a shrimp, and I'm just gonna hang it off the side, just like that, right? Then, I'm gonna take some Parmesan cheese, sprinkle it on there like this, And then I'm gonna take some chicken broth. Once again, watch the last video. They sell chicken broth in the stores, but I gave you a cheat code on how to make the chicken broth or chicken stock, however you want to call it. You know, I gave you a cheat code. And it's not the real chicken broth, but it's just some water that's infused with some chicken flavoring that's gonna help you out. So now I'm just gonna take this, put it in the oven for about 35 minutes on 350. And when we come back, we got a beautiful stuffed salmon. Y'all check it out. Man, it's been about 20 minutes, so let's see what we got cooking in this oven. Oh man, look at that beautiful stuffed salmon. Y'all see that right there? Nice and seasoned. The cream cheese and the spinach is bubbling. The shrimp is fully cooked. Got a nice crust on there. Let's plate this bad baby. So as you can see, I sauteed some asparagus because I wanted to sit this on something, right? Let's pull this out, man. And you can see right now, this beautifully cooked. It's nice and seasoned. Got that chicken broth on the bottom. That helped cook it and keep it moist as well. So we're gonna take that out and put it right there on top of that. Man, we're gonna take this piece out and put it on top of here like that. All right, guys, so I made this cream sauce. It has heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, blackened spice or Cajun spice, and some jumbo lump crab meat, right? We're gonna take this sauce and just pour it over just like that. Oh my lordy. And then what I'm gonna do now is take some more of this Parmesan cheese, drizzle it over like that. Take a little bit of this paprika just to give it a little color like that. Take some of this parsley and sprinkle it over just like that. And that is Chef Gerard's Cajun stuffed salmon. Y'all saw the whole process, right? I took the salmon, rubbed it down with some olive oil, because you know you gotta smack it up, flip it, and rub it down, right? Then I hit it with those seasonings. Make sure I got in there real good, massaged it in there real good. Then I stuffed it with that cream of spinach. Like I said, if you don't know how to make it, watch the last video, did the whole thing on spinach dip. Then I put some crab meat in there, put it in the oven, surrounded it with some chicken stock. What that does is help keeps it moist while flavoring it at the same time. Let that go in the oven, pulled it out, sauteed some asparagus, made me got some crab meat with a Cajun cream sauce, some Parmesan cheese, and some Cajun spice. And that's what we got right there, y'all. I'm gonna let this cool off a little minute, get in there and taste it, and we're gonna come back. Do not go anywhere. Listen, y'all, my favorite part of the video, but it's like a work of art, right? I don't wanna mess it up. I'm trying to see where I can go where I don't mess it up. But listen, I wanna show y'all something. Let's cut right in the middle of it. But before I do that, look at that pretty jumbo lump crab meat right there. Y'all see it? It's like, chef, but we ain't gonna do that just yet. So let's go on into this thing, right? Oh my God. See how nice and moist and succulent that is? Beautiful, perfectly cooked, still steaming like Willie Beeman, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is go in there and get some of that. Y'all see it right there? Man, nice and creamy, juicy. You know why it's so moist like that? Because I cooked it inside that chicken broth. It's so good, man. So let's go and see what we got. I feel like my mouth just celebrated New Year's Eve all over again. The DJ in there spinning my favorite records. I'm in there doing my 1-2 step. Man, this crap. Hold on. I gotta go back. Oh, that jumbo lump crab he was calling me. I gotta get that one too. Hold on. Oh my God. Listen, y'all. I ain't saying this because I made it. I'm saying it because you made it. Because you're gonna make this and you're gonna agree with what I'm saying. This is so delicious. First of all, the salmon is perfectly seasoned, right? When you rub fish down like that with that olive oil, what it does is it creates a coating. And when you put it in the oven, it creates this nice coating that gives you so much flavor. Then we hit it with all those seasonings. They all balance so well together. But let's talk about the inside of this with that crab meat and that cream of spinach. That spinach gives it a nice earthy taste. It just uplifts that salmon so much. That crab meat is so fresh. Tastes like it's fresh out of the sea. And then that sauce with the cream, and the jumbo on crab meat, it is absolutely amazing. In other words, what I'm trying to say is, this salmon is fire. This salmon is straight fire. Listen, y'all, I have over 100,000 subscribers. You believe that, camera guy? Over 100,000 subscribers. Thank y'all so much for tuning in and watching all my videos. I appreciate y'all so much. And y'all know what I'm gonna say because it's true to me in my life. Always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank y'all for watching. God bless. I'm going back in.